Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an eyebrow routine. I'm going to go ahead and jump right in. I'm going ahead and combing out my brows now. I do recommend going ahead and doing that. I do prime my eyebrows and my face before I do anything to my face, regardless if it's just eyebrows or anything like that. I do prime. And then I'll go in with my, I think it's Wet n Wild eyebrow. It's not a gel, it's like a powder. It's a powder. And then I don't know, I think it's in like dark brown, the color. I'll go in with that and I'll just go ahead and fill my eyebrows in. I naturally have very thick brows, so I just go ahead and fill in the areas that I think need filling. And also my brows are not the same, like they never look the same, unfortunately. They've always been like that growing up. So what I try to do is try to get them to look, you know, for the most part identical. It definitely does help that I'm able to use the concealer because I'm able to kind of carve it out, or carve both of them out how I want them to look. Guys, now I'm going to go ahead and use that eyebrow brush again to go ahead and blend out the front half of my brows. You kind of want it to look like an ombre effect, like from light to dark. So you want to blend out the front half of your brows if you do put any type of powder, gel, or anything like that up there. Next, I'll go in with my, I think it's Wet n Wild concealer. I want to say it's in caramel. I'm not for sure. I'll try to link all the products down below. But yeah, I'll go in with my Wet n Wild concealer, the lightest one at the bottom half of my brows. And then at the top, I'll go in with the same brand, Wet n Wild, but the color is in mocha or chocolate, and I'll use that at the top half of my brows. Guys, next I'm going to go ahead and go in with a damp beauty blender to go ahead and blend out that concealer underneath my eyes, just to make sure it looks all nice and seamless and smooth. But you guys just want to make sure you're taking your time with this. One of the major things that I'll always say, and I'll always say, and I'll always say, and I'll always say, is make sure you're blending. Blending is going to be your best friend when it comes to makeup, even if you're, you know, a beginner and stuff like that. If it's blended out, it won't look too bad. Well, I take that back, because if you get the wrong shade in something, it doesn't matter how much you blend it out, it's still probably gonna look bad. But there's always people out there that can help you, different apps that can help you make sure you pick the right shade for yourself. But if you're doing it at home by yourself and you're not getting it professionally done, I definitely recommend blend. Even when you feel like it is blended out, continue to blend, because when you take those pictures, that shows up sometimes. So yeah, make sure you're blending. Now guys, I'm going in with that darker shade in, I believe, mocha or chocolate for the top half of my brows. And I'm just gonna go ahead and carve the top half out to the best of my ability. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use that beauty blender to again blend. Guys, now I'm gonna go in with my foundation powder. This is from my business. If you guys are interested in it, you guys can go ahead and reach out to me. I have all my credentials listed in the description box. But yes, this is my powder foundation that I have from my business, and I really do like this because it's not cakey at all. You can go ahead and cover up concealer with it, which, you know, that's, most people would do that anyway. They usually put on their foundation and then they'll go over it with concealer. But in this case, it's like a 2-in-1. Like, you get the foundation part, but you also get the setting part because it's the powder too. So I'm setting my concealer and stuff, but I'm also doing using a good foundation on my skin as well, just to also have that flawless kind of airbrush smooth look to it. But yeah, so that's pretty much what I'm doing here. I usually don't do much of anything else after this. If I do something, it's like mascara or maybe some eyeliner, or I may put lashes on. Unfortunately, I don't have any lashes right now. But yeah, that's pretty much what I do, guys. This is pretty much the finished look. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bells, guys. Bye.